Hello, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for those who have subscribed, those who have liked and shared our previous videos. And also, thanks for your feedback. Thanks for your comment. I really appreciate all these your contributions. In today's topic, we're going to be going into a new area, which is the use of anti-gravity. Anti-gravity is developed by Google, and it's an IDE, a software development environment, which helps to automate coding process. It was developed last year, that's November 2025, and this IDE helps developers to quickly generate code for their software development. So if you have an idea and you know the exact thing you want to develop, but in order to shorten the time and be able to develop your application rapidly, you can make use of anti-gravity. And anti-gravity has coding agents in it, which helps to for you to plan your development. You after giving it the required prompt, it plans your project. It reveals to you the planning, then it executes both front end, back end, both web development or mobile apps development. It's so robust and so intuitive, and the way it works like a partner with you as a developer. So I'm going to be showing us today how to download, how to install, and all the features on it, so that it helps developers to be able to rapidly develop software applications so that they can quickly get to the market and test these applications to see how it works. So, anti-gravity is a very robust software development environment. Just as I mentioned earlier, Google Antigravity is an agentic integrated development environment that was released November 2025. And this IDE is a modification of VS Code, in which we have the free version and we have the paid version. So for this tutorial, I will be sharing with us the free version. So the free version allows you to develop some applications up to a point where you can exhaust your credit. So when you exhaust your credit on a particular model, so you can switch to another model and continue until you exhaust all the models. So it has almost almost 7 models attached to it, which you can make use of free as long as you still have credit on them. And this this IDE makes use of Gemini 3 model to build applications. All you need to do is give it the required prompt, and it reviews it. And once it understands the application you want to develop, then it continues and it develops it for you. So, some of the models it uses is Gemini 3.1 Pro, Gemini 3 Flash, Cloud Sonnet, GPT OS. So these are the models you can make use of in this application, and you can make use of them free as long as you have your credit. Anti-gravity has so many advantages, but few ones are highlighted here. And one of them is that anti-gravity lets AI agents plan, project, create files, run terminal commands, and fix bugs independently. So, in the course of developing your project, once you have given it the right prompt and it has executed, generated the codes, develop your application. So, in case there are errors, it can you can actually copy the error and give it back to it in form of a prompt, and it will go through your code, detect where the error is, and fix the error and run the application. So it's a very robust in identify where there are errors, and it fixes it automatically. Then another thing is it has an agent manager in it, which helps to control AI actions and allow developers to set and review policies for AI tasks. Also, it can also, in the course of testing your application, it can actually connect with Chrome and test the application. Maybe it requires you to input some values in order to see how the application works. It can do that automatically, link it with Chrome. And it does that. Then, uh, when it's when it's developing the application, every step it summarizes whatever it has done into a text file for you to read through, just like a summary of what it has done. So if you are not comfortable with what it has done, you can actually give it a prompt and instruct it to modify some aspects, which is it will actually do it seamlessly and give you the required output. And the anti-gravity is compatible with Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and the target user, those who can make use of it, are developers who are already senior developers, mid-level developers, even new developers who are at the entry level can also make use of it because it's so interactive and intuitive. It takes in without wasting time. Let us download Antigravity and install it on our system. So I'm making use of Windows 11. So I download Antigravity. So this is the site. So on the website we have the version for Mac OS, Windows, and Linux. So you can also select if you making use of Intel or uh, your processor is x64 or if it's AMD. So you can actually pick depending on the version of your processor. Mine is x64, so I download it. Click on the download, then you wait for it to download in your system. So it's downloading now. The anti-gravity software has finished downloading, and from there you can double click on it. If you double click on it, then from here you can click on accept agreement, then next, then make sure you select add to part. Then you can register the anti-gravity as your editor. Then you can create a desktop icon. This is not that important, so you can just click on next, then you click on install, then it installs it straight into your system. After installation, then it brings out this. When you double click on the icon, then it brings out the software. So this is the interface of anti-gravity. So if you're conversant with VS Code, you see that it's very similar to VS Code. So first thing you do, you come to this corner and you sign in. I'm actually signing this account. You just sign it with your Gmail account. So once you sign in, then it will be able to bring out the icon, this icon as profile. So after that, you can go to view, click on terminal, so that you'll be able to know the directory in which you are working. So this is the directory I'm working. Then if you want to start a new project, you create a folder, name the folder, then you can come to file, open a folder. So I've created a folder, introduction, already. So I click on it and I click on select folder. So when you click on it, it brings out this introduction. You have this outline automatically be added to it. So this section here this section here that sometimes you might not see it open like this. So if it doesn't open, you can click on this toggle agent. So it will bring this. If I click on the toggle agent now, it disappears. So once if you open anti-gravity, it will not display. So you need to click on the toggle agent for you to display it. So when you click on the toggle agent, this is where you enter your prompt. If you look at it, you have the planning, you are fast. So when you are on the planning stage, whatever prompt you give to it, it it gives you it's after before executing it, it gives you feedback. It gives you a review for you to go through what you want to execute, and when you are comfortable with it, there is no need for adjustment. Then it will now move to execution. But if you click on fast, then it will not go through the review stage with you. It should just go straight to execution. Then these are the models I was referring to in my introduction, where we have almost 7 different models that can be used, and all these models have some credits attached to them. So depending on the project you're executing, so if you are executing it and the credit on one model is exhausted, you can select another model and make use of it. Right now, I've exhausted my credit on Gemini 3.1. So, and I selected Cloud Sonnet. So, whatever prompt I'm giving to it, it's going to be making use of this model until I exhaust the credit on this model too. So, another thing you can do to beautify your environment, you can come to this environment, this extension, click on it, then you can type code stacker, code stacker. So what code stacker does, so I already have it, I've installed it already, but if you've not installed it, this area will be installed, that will be install instead of uninstall, so you can install it. What it does, it helps to arrange your code neatly, and it gives you some color, so it makes your code sharper. So install another thing you can also install is material material icon theme. So this one, so it also helps you. So when you install it, this material icon helps you to give a specific icon to uh, to make your project more professional, and it beautifies it. It gives it some material design icons to it. So then once you're done with that, then you can now start working. You click on this, you can close this one. So in our next video, I'm going to be showing us how to start your project, how to write your prompt, make use of ChatGPT to refine it. So by the time you're giving it back to Antigravity, it's already well structured. You understand what you want to do, and it generates your application for you easily. It's straightforward and easy to use. Thank you for watching up to this point. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.